Hi, do you remember these? My huge tomatoes that are growing out the back. Well, they sort of fell over. That one started going red, which was great, but they sort of fell over and dropped, and I've had to cut them off. Anyhow, got 6 of them, weigh about 1.3 kilos, and I bought them. Look at that one. Stupid thing. Anyhow, watch these. Oh, and by the way, I'm having a go at green tomato chutney. So there's onion and tomatoes in there. That's ready for the next batch of items, which is ingredients, which is sultanas. Very nice. And apples. I haven't got any cooking apples. They're normal apples, so they'll go mushy, but hey ho. Look at that. It's got to simmer for another 45-50 minutes. Love my chutney. Look at that. So I've made, they're really warm, I've made 6 jars of chutney. And it's cool. So it's tomato, green tomato and apple. Green tomato, onion, apple, and it's got some Damson Gin in it as well. So it's cool. Aren't they great? Never made chutney before. Great, there you go.